What's up, YouTube? So this is Zach from Wet and Dirty Outdoors. You want to borax a skull, or anything for that matter. This is going to take at least 2 boxes of borax. This was a 22 quart pot. It has about 18 to 20 quarts in it of water, just regular water. So you're going to want to make sure not to skip out on the borax. The borax is the most important part in this. Make sure everything is dissolved. As you can see, I started it out warm and let it cool down overnight. This set for about 10 hours as I slept all night long. So I actually messed up, got the wrong kind of food coloring for this. I got the gel. I went with it anyways, put a little black in it, try to make it a little bit darker, come out smoky gray when it was supposed to be red, which is okay, but you want to make sure everything's tied up, nothing's touching the sides, nothing's touching the bottom, and if you want something that not to get crystals on it, make sure it's wrapped up, but make sure it's wrapped up tight. I messed up, and my saran wrap actually came loose, and I just kind of forgot about it and really didn't think anything of it. So I messed up there. So let's check out my reaction pulling it out. We're going to pull it out. Check it out. Oh man, this is so freaking cool. And it turned out awesome. A little mess up from where the saran wrap was touching the skull, but other than that, I thought everything turned out great. Like I said, this set 10 hours, 8 hours minimal. Make sure whenever you're using food coloring, or I suggest some clothes dye, don't skip on it. Pour it to it if you want that color. But this turned out beautiful, guys. I was happy with it. My stepdaughter was happy with it. I'll be doing it again in another video, and we're going to perfect it. So, guys, y'all make sure to smash that like and subscribe button, and be sure to follow. Thanks for watching.